In this video, Bitcoin is right now hinting the next big move, but the question is Bitcoin going back to 70k or are we now going to see 60k? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you first a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, di ba sa previous analysis natin, what we were monitoring was this descending triangle in the 15-minute time frame. And di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, the moment na magkaroon ng candle close above the resistance itong descending triangle nito, I will be opening a long position because usually or traditionally, yung mga ganitong type of patterns, if magkaroon siya ng breakout, we usually get the height of this triangle, then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. So, which did indeed play out exactly as predicted, but one thing that didn't play out really well dito was after seeing that breakout, Bitcoin just went back inside and then after that continued the move. So anong nangyari, na exit or na SL yung trade ko na yan, na close tuloy siya. So hindi ko na tuloy siya nasabayan, but congratulations if nasabayan nyo pa yung pag-akit dito ni Bitcoin back to the 69k, kasi you will definitely be in profits if you have done that trade, at if hindi kayo naglagay ng SL dyan, for sure ma-meet nyo yung target na yan. But as for me, naglagay ako ng SL and minalas. But always remember guys, no matter what, kung ano yung trade nyo, parati pa rin kayo maglagay ng stop loss. Kasi if ever na let's say matalo ka dun sa trade mo na yon at na-hit yung stop loss, mas okay na yung ma-hit yung stop loss kaysa sa ma-liquidate ka. Kasi pag na-liquidate ka, wala ka na makukuha ang pera para pang restart sa crypto market as compared to sa na-hit yung stop loss. Pag na-hit stop loss mo, may capital ka pa pang open ng next trade mo. So, yeah, either way, right now, na-hit yung stop loss natin hindi dahil sa mali yung trade, but more of, dapat pas nagilinan pa tayo dito siguro or nagkaroon lang talaga ng liquidity grab sa crypto market. But yeah, considering with that, what was the next move ni Bitcoin? So as you can see, if you're going to zoom out in the hourly time frame, Bitcoin is now starting to replicate the similar move which we saw last week, which is a falling channel in the hourly time frame. And traditionally, this falling channel is a bullish pattern to the upside following the resistance or the previous high ng channel. So as you can see sa previous movement, the previous high was playing around the 70k, which has played out. As you can see, after that Bitcoin breakout, it met the 70k exactly, hitting that crucial resistance. So right now, what is Bitcoin trying to show us? So if you're going to look at the Bitcoin price action, you will find now we are forming that similar falling channel in the Bitcoin price action. And as you can see, there is no breakout yet. So this is a clear opportunity. If magkaroon man siya ng breakout, if let's say we saw a bullish breakout dito above this resistance, I will be opening a long position targeting 70,500 US dollars para mas lenient naman at para ma-hit naman kahit paano yung mga certain na take profit area. Kasi of course, if naging over greedy ka sa take profit area mo, pwedeng hindi na yan ma-hit at all. So as much as possible, if you're going to set a take profit area, maging lenient kayo. Like if target nyo is 71k, siguro gawin mong 70.5k. So that is the bullish scenario dito. And take note, you need to have a candle close above the resistance in order to confirm a move, because if walang candle close, then that can lead into a fake out, and if walang volume as well, such as this movement, walang candle close, so that has led to a continuation downtrend dito ni Bitcoin. So take note, ang kailangan nyo rin dito tingnan is this resistance, kasi if we get rejected again by this resistance, then we will see Bitcoin go down back to the 65.8K, which is a new recent low back from February 13. So yeah, another crucial thing is if we get rejected, then of course you can either continue this continuous play dito ni Bitcoin by shorting this, but ako I won't personally do that. But ayun nga, as you can see, there is also a support area dito, and this is also another crucial thing. If hindi na ma-hold itong support area this time, kasi as you can see, the support area is being held dito ni Bitcoin price action consistently. If hindi na to ma-hold, then what will happen is we will see a continuation to the downside dito ni Bitcoin, and that is by getting the height of this channel. Then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. You will find na Bitcoin can still go down much further back to the 63.9K. So yeah, it's very crucial na you follow this falling channel within the next few days if you want to enter your next big trade with Bitcoin. But take note guys, as you can see, we are still inching closer and closer to 60K, but wala pa tayo dun. So right now, there's no signs telling us na it's going to go back 60K within the next few weeks. While I think at the same time na 60K is still possible, but not within the next few weeks, but I think it's going to be possible within the next few months. And ayun, siguro wag muna natin siya madaliin as for now, we are going to monitor this closely by closely and understand kung asa na ba tayo sa crypto market. And take note, I will be opening this short-term trade guys kay Wix. Kasi kay Wix, mas mura yung mga Bitcoin trading fees. And hindi mo kailangan mag-KYC kay Wix. Hindi mo na rin kailangan mag-VPN. So, it's very convenient to use. And if you don't have an account with Wix, make sure to use my sign-up link, which you can find in the description down below. But anyway, ayun lang muna update natin for the time being. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out my next videos. So yun lang muna for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.